Hi guys, it's your boy WCE Graphics. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys the simple background manipulating. Yeah, you're going to learn from this. Yeah, one thing about manipulating is about blending professional. Yeah, when you are manipulating background, your blending has to be smooth, so you need to follow this step. Yeah, the link to all these resources I'm using is in the description. Just click on it, then you save it, then you can use it to do your own or to try your own practical. Okay, so you can see, first of all, when manipulating, please follow me step by step. Let me also explain. You can see it. So when manipulating, you have to pick 3 to 4 or 6 background, depends on you. You got. So you can see what I'm doing. You can see the one I use as the subject. Then you are going to power clip this one up, power clip it inside. When you power clip it inside, increase it. That's called scaling. Then you scale it. Then you come to your transparency tool. You can see it, your transparency tool. Then you blend it. You can see the blending. You can see how I blend it. Then you pick the other one again. Then you are going to increase it. This one, do not touch or blend anything. Just come to your transparency tool, go to normal, then turn it to soft light. You can see it, soft light is cool. Then you pick on this one now, power clip it inside, increase it. You can see it, I'm rotating it, so you have to increase it. Just watch what I'm going to do now. You see the blending screen. Then I will increase it. After increasing it, I'll flip it to the other side because I want it to be at the other side. Yeah, I will rotate it through my vertical. Yeah, then I want it to be in this side. So I'm going to carry my right angle tool, draw it across the line. Then I will blend it. You can see it. I'll blend it. I'll take it down a little. Then scale it. Then I'll power clip page down. You can see it, page down. I'm going to do page down. You can see this background manipulating. You can see the way it's smooth. You can't even detect where this background is stopping, where is it coming from. I hope you can see the way to blend. Yeah, and please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please you have to subscribe to this channel and on that notification button so you'll be notified anytime I upload or drop any video. Yeah, you have to subscribe. I'm about to save it now. So thank you guys for following up. Thank you guys, and I'm really seeing growth in your lives. I wish you success in this journey. Yeah, God bless you.